Hi, friends. My name is Lea Lawson, and I am so excited to be an instructor at the upcoming SBC Fest with scrapbook.com this coming March 2026. So, this is your homework video for my class. Now, we have an hour, but I want to put 3 cards in that hour, so we have about 20 minutes per card. And I wanted to focus more on easy but fun techniques that can elevate the items that are included in my class kit. So it might feel like there's a lot of homework for this class, but for the most part, it really truly is just die cutting. So I wanted to focus less on die cutting in class and focus more on things that you can do to elevate the items, the other items included in my class kit. So um, we're going to flip this camera around. We're going to go through all of the homework. And I want to mention this one thing. If you can't get to all of the homework before class begins, that is okay. Maybe focus on just one of the cards homework. And then always remember that the replay for class will be available forever. So you can always come back to the class, rewind, fast forward, pause as you need it, and complete the other class cards. Now, if you want to create all 3 with me in class, I highly suggest that you take advantage and do all of the homework in advance because that will allow you to keep up with the timeline of about the 20 minutes per card. All right, let's flip our camera around and let's get going on our homework. So the first thing that you'll want to prepare for class is 3 card bases and 2 A2 cardstock panels from your favorite white cardstock. So I like a top folding card base, and in my class we're going to do 2 portrait and 1 landscape. So fold your cards however your preference is. Like I mentioned, I'm a top fold girl, but if you like a side fold, do it in however way you please. We just need 3 card bases. And then we need to prep 2 A2 size panels from white cardstock as well. So that's just the basic prep for card bases and cardstock. So then for card number 1, we need to do a little bit of pre-die cutting with the heirloom butterflies and the essential sentiments. So we need the largest butterfly from the watercolor paper that's in your kit, and I used the lighter shade of orange. You'll notice in the papers there is a light side and a dark side in the same tone. The only one that's a little different is the yellow. It goes from yellow to a little bit more of a green shade, so keep that in mind. Anyway, I am using orange for the larger butterfly, white for that middle butterfly, and then I am using ivory glitter cardstock for my centers. Now you can also use black or any specialty cardstock that you have on hand, like gold, any favorite glitter, anything like that. Now, if you want to stack your sentiment like mine, you'll also want to cut the thanks sentiment a couple times from white, and then the shadow layer from vellum. So that is for card number 1. Let's move on to card number 2 homework. So once again, we need the heirloom butterflies, the essential sentiments, and then this time we also need the nested vintage labels. You will see that I cut a label frame from ivory glitter cardstock as well. Once again, you can use whatever you have on hand for that. Now I also trimmed strips from the watercolor patterned collection. And so the way that I did this is I did the lighter tone, a 1/4 inch, and the darker tone, 1/8 inch. However, I did leave out a couple of colors. So I left out this green paper completely because we had plenty. And then I only used 4 of the colors ranging in the blue to the purple. So that lighter shade of blue, I did a 1/4 inch. I did not cut the back inch on that one. Next, I actually moved up to first shade of purple, but I only cut the darker side and I cut it at 1/8 inch. And then this final sheet here, I did both. I did the 1/4 inch from the lighter and the 1/8 inch from the darker toned. So we only need those colors. Now you can cut all of them and create your own rainbow if you'd like to. Now you can do this with a paper trimmer, or if you have a strip die set, you can also use that. We also will need the same as the first card. We need two layers of the Thinking of You sentiment from white, and then the shadow layer from vellum. There are tittles in Thinking of You, so make sure you don't throw away those little tiny tittles because we will add them as well. Now, finally, for card number 3, we need the smallest butterfly, which actually has um, a main body and then a little small uh, accent element. So we need the main die cut from every single color of watercolor paper except for the gray. And then we need its little detail cut from the flip side, which is the darker tone for each color. Then we also need 7 of the smallest butterfly middles cut from whatever specialty cardstock it is that you're using. Mine is ivory glitter, but once again, you could use black or gold glitter. I mean, really, the sky is the limit on that. Now, from the nested vintage label die, we need that second smallest one cut from one of the watercolor papers of your choice. I chose this kind of pinky shade of purple, but you can really pick whichever one you want because we're going to use all of these colors on our card. And then finally, I did cut the high die. I cut it once from the ivory glitter just to give a little bit more sparkle. I cut it twice from some white cardstock for stacking purposes. I remembered to set aside the tittle for the eye and high, and then I cut the shadow layer from vellum. And that is all of your homework for all 3 cards. Once again, keep in mind, I know it seems like a lot of homework, but it is all mostly die cutting. It took me about 30 minutes to prep, and this will allow us to create 3 cards in my 1-hour class. So we're going to have about 20 minutes for each card, and I wanted to focus a little bit more on techniques and assembling and tips in the assembling process than on die cutting. So I assumed that die cutting would be a good homework lesson because most of us know how to die cut, and then you truly can die cut at your own pace before class begins. So I am so looking forward to this fun class with you. I think we're going to have a lot of fun with these stunning butterflies and lovely sentiments, and I can't wait to spend an hour with you getting these cards all put together. Until then, bye guys.